President and Secretary of Shillong Press Club, who has given us this opportunity to come to this platform through this platform, Press Fraternity. That on the 29th we came once to appeal to the public that we, the medicine traders, we oppose vehemently the proposal of the government of India to allow the sale of medicine through online. So, from Meghalaya, along with All India Chemists and Druggists Association, we support the agenda of All India Chemists and All India Chemists and Druggists Association, that on the 20th of this month, that is on Wednesday, that all medicine shop will be closed to show that we protest, because online of medicines till now there is no specific rules and regulation that medicine can be sold online. So, but these people, big players, which you know very well, like Tata, 1mg, and so on and so forth, they are trying their best to sell medicine all over India through online. So here we came as a mark of protest, that we don't want this act to be legally allowed medicine to sell in the market without proper prescription by the doctor. So now through your medium, we want that it should go to the nook and corner of Meghalaya, so that the people will understand the dangers of online sales of medicines. We have seen they have practiced for 2-3 years. We have found lot of substandard products has been given to the patient. This is the dangerous threat to the health of the people. So we, as a responsible organization, we want that the same system and the good quality medicines should be given to the patient, because patient they need cure. Substandard medicines cannot give them relief. This is what we came to this area. So on my left, Mr. Barun Chakrabarti, General Secretary. On my right, Mr. Ronnie Langhorn, he's our active member. So we came here through your medium. Kindly please make what publish to all your paper. We have given letter to the chief ministers. We have given letters to the health ministers. We have given to Commissioner Secretary. We have given request letter also to the licensing authority. So this is this strike in other states. All people really support that online medicines is not good for India. This is the posters which we have given to all the shop. This we have request them to kindly cooperate with Meghalaya Healthcare Association.